So right now we are talking about finding the value of x sa equation natin. If we are looking for the value of x, sometimes the value of x within the base, hindi lang siya isang simple one quantity or isang value of x. Sometimes it is consisted of another constant. So papaano yung itsura nun? For example, we have x plus 2 and then ang ating exponent will be raised to 5 is equal to 32. So how can we find the value of x if may exponent dito? So ang first na gagawin natin, kailangan matanggal natin yung ating exponent. So how can we remove our exponent? That is by applying also the reciprocal of the exponent. So, paano ang reciprocal? So, if it is 5, it is automatically 5 over 1. So, reciprocal niyan is 1 over 5. So, ganun din dapat dito. If we are using this exponent sa left side, we are also using this to the over 5. So, kailangan gamitin din natin siya. So, if we are using that, kailangan we will use the same exponent. So, if we are using the same exponent, parehas na sila both on left and right side, let us simplify. 5 multiplied by 1 over 5 is 5 over 5. So, it is already equal to 1. So, cancelled na siya. So, it is as simple as x plus 2. However, do sa right side natin, magiging siyang fifth root of 32. So, it is fifth root. And so, fifth root yan. So, merong 5 dito sa taas. So, and so, fifth root ng 32. So, how can we find the fifth root of 32? So, we will find the number na pag minultiply natin 5 times on itself, limang number siya or yung lalabas is 32. So, how can we find that? So, it is x plus 2 is equal to, copy natin. Sa 32, start tayo sa 2. 2 multiply by 2, multiply by 2, multiply by 2, and multiply by 2. So, dito, limang 2. So, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 times 2 is 4. Times 2 is 8. Times 2 is 16. And times 2 is 32. So, limang pirasong 2 ang pwedeng i-multiply. So, that 32 yung lalabas. So, if 5 na yung 2, at pag minultiply 32, pwede mo silang i-simplify. So, that is x plus 2 is equal to positive, negative 2. So, gamitin na lang natin yung 2. And then, x is equal to 2. Ito, galing dito yan. Tapos, yung 2 na nandito sa left side, transpose, that is minus 2. And so, yung answer natin ay x is equal to 0. So, ang value ng x dito is 0. Next. Ganon din yung gagawin natin kapag ganito yung nakikita natin. 2x minus 1 raised to 3 over 2 is equal to 125. So, medyo malaki yung number. So, ano gagawin natin? Again, kung anong ginawa natin nung una, kailangan ma-cancel out natin yung exponent. So, we will cancel out the exponent by using the reciprocal ulit. So, that is 2 over 3. So, ganun din dito. That is 2 over 3. That is 2 over 3. So, if ganyan na siya, since 3 times 2 is 6, 2 times 3 is 6, 6 over 6 is equal to 1. Cancelled out na. That is our left side. Kaso yung 125, pwede ba nating express ito in simpler expression? Actually, yes. 125 can be expressed by 5 raised to, so di ba divisible by 5? So, i-divide mo sa ilang 5. So, kapag minultiply mo ng ilang beses yung 5, lalabas yung 125. So, 5 times 5 is 25 times 5, 75 times 5 is equal to uh, is equal to 125. Diba? So, try muna natin sa 3. So, 5 times 5 times 5 sa tatlo na yan. So, 5 raised to 3. And then, syempre meron ka pa ring dito. Meron ka pa ring exponent dito, 2 over 3. If that is the case, apply natin na pag-aralan natin on the previous lesson. So, 3 times 2 is 6. Tapos, 6 divided by 6 over 3 siya nun, di ba? So, that is, kung isi-simplify natin yan, magiging siyang i-multiply natin sa 3. So, multiply natin sa 3. Ganyan siya niyan. Simplify natin yan, magiging siyang 6. And then, simplify further, magiging siyang 2. 6 divided by 3 is equal to 2. Tapos, pwede na nating isolve. 2x minus 1 is equal to, ano ang 5 squared, that is 25. So, transpose yung negative 1, lalagay natin dito. So, from minus 1, magiging siyang plus 1. And then, 2x is equal to 26. X is equal to 13. So, yung sagot natin dito, the value of x here is 13. So, ganun siya sinosolve kapag ang unknown natin ay yung base, tapos it is also a value of x plus any constant. First, cancel the exponent and then i-apply mo rin yon doon sa right side. Next, meron tayo kapag exponent naman ang nawawala. So, in simple equations like 2 raised to x is equal to 16. If 2 can be divided, if 2 can be a divisor of 16, try natin. So, 2 raised to x. Di pa natin alam kung ano yun. So, 2. Ano ang exponent na pwede natin gamitin for 2? So, that's 16 yung lalabas. That is 4. That is 4. Bakit? Kasi 2 times 2 is 4 times 2, 8 times 2 is 16. So, ano value ng x natin? X is equal to 4. Ganun siya. So, what if ganito siya? Same kasi yung base. So, that is x plus 2. X plus 2. And then, plus 2. X plus 1 is equal to 384. If that is the case, kailan express natin yung 384 as an base exponent form na ang base natin is 2. Kasi parehas na siya. So, how can we do that? So, i-divide lang natin itong 384 sa 2. Kung ilang 2 yung minumultiply para makuha yung 384. So, if na-memorize ninyo, ang raised to 5 ay 32. At ang 32 times 32 ay 32 multiplied by 32. So, so 2 raised to 5, 2 raised to 5, that is 32 na. So, 32 times 32, that is 1,024. So, sobra-sobra na siya. So, hindi natin isasobra. So, 32 times 2. So, pang ilan to? Pang-6 na 2. And then, times 2 ulit. That is the 7th. Ito yung 8. Ito yung yan. So, hindi natin ma-express. So, anong gagawin natin? We will try to solve it. Hindi na by using yung ating hindi na by using the right side, kundi using the left side. Yan. So, how can we do that? So, if that is the case, balikan natin yung previous lesson natin when it comes to laws of exponent. If it is being added to each other, meaning minumultiply yan. So, 2 raised to, that is 2 raised to x, tapos minumultiply yan sa 2 raised to 2. Okay? Yan yung una. Yung pangalawa, ganun din. However, hindi siya sa 2. Saan siya? Sa 1. Yan. Is equal to 384. Next, since nakuha na natin yan, kukunin natin yung common monomial sa kanila. So, common sa kanila is yung 2x, di ba? So, if that is the case, gagawin natin, kukunin natin yung 2x. So, 2x na sa labas, 2 raised to x, tapos, kung maiiwan yung 2 squared multiply by 2 is equal to 384. Since naiiwan na yung 384, simplify na natin yan. So, 2 raised to 2 is 4. And then, 4 times 2 is, or 4 plus 2, 4 plus 2 pala dapat. Okay. So, why ina-add kasi, ito, common monomial factor siya. So, ano siya, distributive. Kaya kinuha natin common monomial factor. So, that is equal to 6. Since minumultiply mo yung 6 sa 2x para makuha yung 384, i-divide natin yung 6 sa 384. So, that will be 2 raised to x is equal to 384 divided by 6. So, that is 2x is equal to 36. So, 6, 24, 4. So, that is 2x is equal to 64. Then, since di natin alam ito, since di natin alam yan, i-express natin ito as base form. So, 2x is equal to 2 raised to anong number. So, balikan natin. If 2 raised to 5, 2 raised to 5 is equal to 32, meaning ang exponent natin is 5. Tapos 32 yung lalabas. So, increase natin ng isang exponent. 2 raised to 6. And 2 yan, raised to 6. Hindi. 2 raised to 6. And so, 2 raised to 6 is 64. So, the value of x is equal to 6. So, ganun siya. Kung hindi mo siya makuha on the right side, na i-express natin on a base exponent form, tingnan natin kung pwede nating i-simplify yung nasa left side. So, last example, when it comes to unknown exponent. So, if our exponent is unknown, try natin to. So, 4 raised to x minus 3 is equal to 1 over 8 raised to 2x plus 1. So, yan yung ating exponent ngayon. So, how can we solve for that? So, para ma-solve natin yan, express natin lahat by any base form. So, ito, pwede natin express as 2 squared. So, it can be expressed as yung 4, pwede natin express ito as 2. Pero ang exponent natin is 2. Tapos, minumultiply natin. So, minumultiply natin siya. So, that is expressed as like that. Yung 1 over 8 naman, para, di ba, para mag-reverse yung ating fraction, kailangan gamitan natin ng negative value. Pero, ang 1 over 8 can be expressed as 1 over 8 can be expressed as 2, ayan, 2 raised to 3. Bakit? Kasi, yung 2 raised to 3 ay equivalent to 8. 2 times 2 times 2. Again, hahanapin mo lang kung anong number or any base form na pwede both left and yung right side. Tapos, meron kang 2x plus 1. Okay, next. If that's the case, ano gagawin natin? So, since both can be expressed as having base of 2, ganun natin isa-solve. So, what should be the exponent that we have right now? 2 multiplied by x minus 3, that is equivalent to 2x minus 6 is equal to, eto, diba, nagiging fraction yan kapag negative kasi yung exponent. So, from fraction, gagawin natin siyang exponent. So, that is negative 3 being multiplied with 2x plus 1. Since parehas na yung ating base form, kunin na natin yung ating mga equation. That is 2x minus 6 is equal to, i-multiply na natin to. Negative 6x minus 3. Then, simplify. Combine like terms tayo. 2x transpose yung negative 6x, that is plus 6x is equal to transpose yung negative 6, that is positive 6 minus 3. And then, simplify. 8x is equal to 3. So, the value of x is equal to 3 over 8. So, if it is the value of x, try natin i-substitute dito. So, substitute natin kung parehas lang sila ng kalalabasan. So, the value of x is 3 over 8. So, 3 over 8. Tapos dito, multiply by 3 over 8. Okay. And then, multiply. So, 8. So, 8 times 3 is equal to, so magiging siyang over 8 din. Over 8. Tapos, multiply natin sa 8. Okay. Next is equal to, ito rin. Dito naman, paano natin isa-solve to? So, 2 times 3 is equal to 6. Yan. So, 6 plus 8 na siya. Next. Simplify natin further. Ito ay magiging 24. Ayan. 24 siya. Tapos, tapos, and then, ito is, so from 1, magiging siyang 8 plus 8. Ay, 8 over 8. In. So, dito, since 3 minus 24, that is equivalent to, that is equivalent to negative 20, negative 18. 18 ba? Negative 21. So, negative 21 siya. And then dito, magiging siyang 6 plus 8. That is 14 over 8. So, that is 14 over 8. Okay. Next. So, that is the case. Express natin ito as fraction din. Okay? So, express natin as fraction. So, that is equivalent to 1 over, so 1 over 4 raised to 21 over 8. Yan. Ganon din siya dito. Okay. Next. Ano ang next na gagawin natin? That is, so express natin ng 1 over 8 or ito, 21, 8. Apply na lang natin siya dito. So, if that is the case, so, gawin na lang natin. Ito na lang yung gagawin natin. So, from 8 over 1, that is 8 raised to negative 1. Yan. Tapos, ganun din sa ginawa natin dito. So, kapag negative na siya, multiply natin dito, magiging siyang negative 14 over 8. Okay. So, third, di naman sila parehas. Okay. Para maging parehas yan, ganito yung gagawin natin. Express natin to in base form. So, that is 2 raised to 2 multiply by negative 21 over 8. Then, is equal to yung 8. Pwede natin yung i-divide or kunin sa base form, that is raised to 3, and multiply by negative 14 over 8. So, paano sila magiging equal? So, 2 multiplied by negative 21 is equal to, so since parehas na yan, kunin natin exponent 2 times negative 21 is negative 42 over 8 is equal to 3 multiplied by 14 is negative 42 over 8. Ganun siya. So, since parehas na sila ng exponent, parehas sila ng base form, nakuha natin yung solution dun sa ating equation. So, that is basically the lesson about equations ng ating. So, that concludes our lesson sa math.